We are in so much trouble right now.
Yeah, trouble is right. We're in for it this week, y'all. We get together with some friends we haven't seen in a long time, and we go all the way back to our teenage years. So this is a real special episode. So after jumping in the truck and making a quick stop at the daiquiri shop, it was time to get this show on the road. And I couldn't think of a better place to take them than PAC Kayak Rentals in Pointe-au-Chien, Louisiana. So come along for the ride, y'all. Another episode of Yak Nation starts right now.
Man, I'm speechless, brother.
Back at Pointe-au-Chien, y'all.
I can't even take it all in. There's so much
For that annual houseboat trip. We're about to do it to it. So I haven't even got my first beer yet, and Donnie Boy's already on the money. Oh, nah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Hard head.
I'll take it.
No, that's hard head. That's a throwback, partner. And flip.
Boom. That was cool.
I ain't never had to do it.
There you go, bud.
Switch it up, dude. I want a shrimp and a hook. I told you.
He did it.
Oysters.
It ain't clams. You did it, dude. Bucket list. What you want?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, there's 3 of them. Come on, guys. Let's get in on this.
Now look, here's what you do.
It bit my shrimp? No. That's what I wanted. I caught my oyster right out of the water right there. Terry shucked it open for me, and I'm about to eat it. What? Sorry.
What are you doing?
It was really good. There's a big piece of shell. It got stuck in my teeth.
Yeah, watch that.
Still good.
Devil. Oh, yeah, he's got a red, Vic. What you think?
Yeah, or a drum.
Or a big hard head.
Probably a drum.
I think he's just overselling that hard head he's got.
I'm gonna take his rib fish and make it look good.
Yeah.
All right.
Now, just hold him. Hey, take your time, baby.
Braided? You got braided on?
Oh, yeah. Easy, buddy.
Stingray, huh?
Boy, that would be shitty. Them stingrays can pull, Vic.
I can't even believe this is all happening.
Here we are at the Redfish Championship. Got Dorian Paddock out of San Antonio, Texas. On a fish. I mean, he's on a fish. Keep that tip up a little more. There you go.
Watch that.
That's right.
Took a break from
He might be hung up. I hope you are.
That'd be some funny shit.
You feel it fighting?
Put him on. Put him on the reef. Put him on the reef.
That's it. Well, looks like a pelican just swam across, got caught up in the line and hooked. Got to get our resident Cajun Vic on the scene, see if he can get this hook out of his foot. What you got, Donnie boy?
That would be a ready.
First one ever?
Oh yeah.
Now we got to get a keeper. What, inch
Those,
short?
Those hardheads were a nice little piece, but yeah, he's an inch and a half short.
Heck yeah, dude. Good job.
Woo-hoo. Get some love.
Is that a chance of redemption or what, dude? Are we hung up again?
No, this ain't.
Lift. Now reel down. Stop. Lift. Reel down. There you go, like that.
Nice and slow though.
Yeah,
You're good.
no jerking.
Yeah, look at that pole, dude. You have like the lightest pole I have too. I gave you the lightest pole possible. Take your time,
I
dude.
think he's got that dolphin.
While we take a break while you're catching this fish, can you tell me how it feels?
Hey, we're gonna go to the bathroom.
I need a beer.
We're gonna go
Hold
to the
on,
bathroom.
I got you.
Get something to eat. We'll be
Hold
back.
on.
Land the motherfucker.
All right.
Lift and reel down.
Got you. There you go, buddy. Good job.
He wants to
Hydration.
go. He don't want to come out. Look at the size of this fucking thing. Very nice. Very nice. Bring it next to the big drum.
Shh, everybody be quiet except for Terry and DeLorean's.
Y'all got it on video?
Oh, yeah.
What the f? is that, dude? Holy sh! Don't let him fall off the boat.
High five, buddy. Atta boy.
That's a big boy right there, son.
What's the matter with you? Pick him up, man.
Can't pick this up.
He's the one on the water.
God damn! I can't have him grab her by the sun. That's my makeup from that. That's my makeup from that snagger right here.
Put him out.
Man, after fighting that big black drum, I think it's time for Dorian to grab him a snack.
Oh, there he is. Dorian's got his oyster.
Shit. Damn.
Boom.
Oyster, fresh. Money. That's money.
It's the best thing for a hangover, buddy.
Damn. Hell yeah. Dude.
He's the oyster killer. I think he went for Vic's title.
Where's all the white women?
Dude, that's ridiculous. Louisiana, baby.
That was a two-biter, huh? I think he had a two-biter right there. You had some more. You had hors d'oeuvre right there.
Wow. Holy shit.
Yeah.
I'm buying this houseboat right here. I'm buying this houseboat right here.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
There it is.
Smile, boys.
Wow.
It might be a keeper. No, it's a keeper. He's got the heavy pole, dude. He's on it. Take your time, Jay.
It's a red.
He's gonna see it and spook and run off. Just wait a minute.
I need something.
Take a breath.
Bring him right by this. Bring him right by the side.
Walk backwards.
Hey.
Mighty Gras Mambo. It got weird, didn't it?
He said no.
Hey, your first Louisiana redfish. Let's talk about that.
Hey, who's got
Hey,
the biggest
hey.
fish so far?
Hey,
This
you're,
thing.
27.
atta boy, dude. That's a 27, dude. That's a slot red.
That was gravy right there. I didn't even need that, dude.
Now that you've caught the biggest fish of your life, dude, talk about your experience catching it on such a light pole, right? The weather was horrible. The conditions were bad all day. Tell us what put you on top.
Man, perseverance, God, friends, family. That's what got me through it today. Honestly, on your next cast, you pull out like a good double oyster right there. That's how every time. That's how it is.
Now, if you've ever watched a Yag Nation episode before, you always know how we like to start out an overnight trip with some big juicy steaks on the grill. Plus, you got to get that nourishment in you, get that food in you, because you know always on that first night it's gonna be a long one. Cheers!
Go. Wait, watch him first.
Cheers! Play the trumpet, man.
Make sure you bring your booties because it's cold out here.
Everybody ground!
Alright.
Play it, baby!
Blow your mind. Was it everything you wanted to find? Did you miss me while
You're looking for yourself out there.
Yeah!
Sing it, sing it!
That's right! I love it, brother. Got it, Jay. Jump right into you! Shut it! Business! Hey, yeah! I want to watch you bleed! Yeah!
Yeah, good stuff.
GoPro, what up, dude? In your face, Louisiana, what's up? Night fishing. I mean, night drinking, really, but fishing, drinking,
No, look,
same
look.
thing.
And cut. That was a really long night. A lot of fun, y'all, but hey, it's time to do what we do. Let's launch the boat, get out there and go do some fishing. We had a really bad wind forecast this trip. Boat kind of got pushed around. It was kind of hard to get anchored, but it didn't matter. The weather was good. It was supposed to be 80% chance of rain, and it wasn't. So we got out and had a good time. Even got Vic on a nice sized sheephead, and just enjoyed being on the boat. It was nice being out with some good friends out there having a good time. You haven't seen the professional chicken bingo?
Pick your number. Look, 12's a
Look,
good one.
6 looks like a good number.
6 looks like a
6 has been busy.
And maybe 15. It's been a while since 15
yeah.
hit.
15, maybe it's due. Maybe it's due. Dang, swallowed that thing whole. Look at him. Now, just because I'm holding this one, this is not my fish. Turn around and see. That's that guy's fish.
Look at how beautiful that fish is. Look at the color on his face.
I know.
You know, the videos never do it justice, man.
It doesn't, huh? Nope.
Not at all. Look at all that. It's like abalone shell.
Look, isn't that cool? They're
is
beautiful fish. Look at their eyes.
Yeah, he's looking at me right now. It's kind of freaking me out. Hold it up, man. Show America.
Show America. But yeah, that's how that goes. Did you lay that flat on the grill?
I had my hand out.
Some char grilled oysters. Yeah. The char grilled oysters. Little butter, Parmesan, Tony Satcheries, and a little touch of hot sauce on top. You guys are in for a treat right now, buddy. I'm telling you. I just realized I was going to do a video of the char grilled oysters.
Yeah, here.
There's one left. Young Buck, it's yours. That's right. How's that? So, Donnie's contribution was bacon to the trip. So, Louisiana style, we figured out what to do with it. Wrap it around a bunch of shrimp and stick it on the barbecue grill.
Boom, son, right here.
Yeah. Chef Paddock, if you don't mind, talk to the camera. Let us know what you're doing, buddy.
Stuffing some shrimp, big old shrimp, crab stuffed shrimp.
Little crab meat?
My own special recipe. I'm just kidding, it's Vic's. This guy's a man over here. This dude knows what's up. So, stuff you'll never even get in a restaurant right here.
No, you can't buy that.
Boom, boom. That's it right there.
Arizona folks stuffing
right.
shrimp. You
That's
don't
right.
see that every day.
You really come in here.
A little bit of booty. What's up, Sir Chevy?
Yeah, that's the boys right there. Hey, this is what I call a humane release right here.
Hold up.
Good. Take your time. I'm right behind you. I'm right here. I'm right here. Who's on my leg? Let that go. Let that go.
Man, I don't think he's gonna make it.
Where is he? Where is he? He swam off. He swam off.
All right, help me up.
All right.
Give me your goddamn yours. Here we go. I got. Come on.
Yeah. Hey, look what we caught. We caught a Cajun. Ah!
Sucks, man. That's my fucking shoe.
No, we got it. We get it.
You got my goddamn shoe.
We got a Cajun.
Dude, I seen this shoe.
All I saw. Fish in the water, and then I saw your feet. That's all I saw.
We love our fish here.
Number one, you have to take care of the fish because the fish take care of you.
That's right.
That's how it goes. And the same thing with the ducks and the goose.
And the goose.
You gotta take care
That's right.
of your habitat.
That's right.
Otherwise,
And if that calls for a catch and release in the water in February,
it's fun anyway.
He personally made sure
Catch
that
and
that
release.
drum made it back in there. He personally made sure he got in there.
My hero.
It's safe too.
My
He swim
hero.
off, bro. He swim off, bro. He swim off.
and just like that, y'all, that's a wrap. We had a lot of fun, had a lot of good times, good stories. Get out there and do some fishing, y'all. I want to thank everybody for watching this episode of Yak Nation. I'm TJ and I'm out of here. Bye, y'all.